Once upon a time,
Yeah.
there was a magic kingdom.
Go more that way. Go more that way. Right here. Oh, actually, right here, right here. Right here's fine.
A timeless place where every yes would be given the gift of the young at heart.
Stop moving me.
Wish upon a star.
Stop moving me.
Unlock its magic.
Now this tough guy.
Are you ready to wish upon a star? Then it's time to open your heart and remember, dreams come true.
Starlight, you star I see tonight. I wish I might have the wish I wish tonight. Now make a wish and do as dreamers do. And every wishes will come true. There's no difference, we are everything one desires will come to.
In 1955, a magical place was born. And in this marvelous kingdom, there lived many delightful friends who made our dreams come true. An enchanting place where storybook heroes and daring adventures waited around every corner.
I wish I could I'm wishing someday my prince would come. What's this to a trend? I wish I could be part of that world. I wish we'd never have to grow up. I wish all those lovers someday I wish I could be a real boy.
Genie, I wish for your freedom.
Tonight we're going to share a wonderful dream come true together. In 1955, an amazing man named Walt Disney dreamt of a magic kingdom.
Happy place, welcome. Disneyland is your land. Here age relives fond memories of the past, and here you may savor the challenge and promise of the future. Disneyland is dedicated to the ideals, the dreams, and the hard facts that have created America, with the hope that it will be a source of joy and inspiration to all the world.
Yay!
Your attention, please. The Disneyland Limited now leaving for a grand circle tour of the Magic Kingdom.
It's showtime! All the birds and birds and the flowers Mon ami!
The gods have been angered by all this celebrating.
As you enter the chamber of destiny, Torah looks into the eyes of the island.
Yay!
Welcome.
Oh, I like this part. I like this part.
Mansion.
Yeah, when we went.
I am your host.
Move your head.
Your
Move your head.
host. Is this haunted room actually stretching? Or is it your imagination? This chamber has no windows and no doors, which offers you this chilling challenge to find a way out. Of course, there's always my way.
Serpents and spiders, pale the rat, call in the spirits wherever they're at. Rap on a tape, it's time to respond. Let there be music from regions beyond.
Be sure to bring your death certificate.
Your colors, you blooming cockroaches! Stand by in the guns! Fire at will! A vast experience! Oh, no! I that'll show the guilt rat!
Remain seated, please. Permanecer sentados, por favor.
All personnel, clear the launch platform. Understand, clear launch platform. Morning light, sir. Reach maximum depth load.
These are back up to 80 fathoms.
80 fathoms. Magnification. Can I possibly survive?
Star Tours announces the boarding of the Endor Express. All passengers, please prepare for immediate boarding.
Flight 24, log in. Covering.
Today, Walt Disney's Magic Kingdom has grown to become the happiest place on earth to millions the world over. A place where anything is possible, where every dreamer may wish upon a star.
Wishes